Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a trekking adventure? The very thought can be both exhilarating and intimidating, especially if it's your first time. But worry not, as we delve into a comprehensive guide on preparing for your trekking adventure. The preparation process can be broken down into 3 key areas: physical readiness, mental fortitude, and gear preparation. Starting with physical readiness, the key is to find enjoyable exercises that you can sustain over time. Consider joining exercise groups for motivation and camaraderie. Simulate your trekking conditions during your training sessions, incorporating varied terrains and weather conditions. And don't forget about nutrition. Small, frequent meals and a well-rounded diet will fuel your body for the challenge ahead. Next, let's talk about mental preparation. Remember, trekking is not a race. It's about enjoying the journey. Find a comfortable pace and take time to soak in your surroundings. Consistency and persistence in your exercise routine will build your fitness level gradually without overwhelming you. Understand the difficulty level of your trek and tailor your training accordingly. Lastly, gear preparation is paramount to a successful trek. Consider using trekking poles to reduce strain and increase stability. Practice walking with your backpack to ensure comfort and proper weight distribution. Invest in quality trekking boots and wear them as much as possible before the trek to break them in. And don't underestimate the importance of blister prevention. Ensure your shoes fit well, keep your feet dry, and consider using lubricants and second skin for added protection. In conclusion, preparing for a trekking adventure is a journey in itself. By focusing on physical and mental preparation, as well as ensuring your gear is up to the task, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges of the trail. Remember, it's about the experiences along the way, not just the destination. So, lace up those boots, embrace the adventure, and follow your dreams. Remember, every step you take is a step towards an unforgettable journey.